So I installed this cozy gate opener. Had to build a bracket for my fence to make it a little bit longer. Ran the electrical, put an on-off switch, installed the magnets for the limit switches, chain. Also put in a limit switch magnet over here, the other bracket. My wife wanted a pedestrian gate, so we went ahead and did that. Pretty simple. Bolted down the concrete. Um, really wasn't any trouble. Just setting up the magnets. One's got to be low, one's got to be higher than the other one. And they don't tell you this anywhere, but they have to be about 3/4 of an inch away from the housing. That's where the limit switch is inside. So as long as they're within 3/4 of an inch of the housing right there, they work fine. And as long as you line everything else up, runs off 110 volts. Very quiet. This is the remote they give you. Now you only use the top button, this one right here. But let's demonstrate. Very quiet, very smooth. Really happy with it. And we'll go back the other way. That's about all there is to it. I've got a keypad on the way. Gonna hook that up. Wireless keypad's gonna go outside. And I also want to mount the safety sensor beam that goes between there and there, just in case anything gets in its path, it won't crush it. Kid, car, something like that. But yeah, just very simple. Amazon, pretty good reviews, lots of reviews actually. So anyway, all right, thanks.